Okay. Now these are the landing gears for your drone. To install these landing gears onto your frame, just put it upside down like this on a table and give support to the by the batteries so that flight controller does not touch the table. Now just align these two holes to the rod, and after aligning, just slightly push them inwards so that they can just slide on the landing gear, the rods over here, just like this. So now these are installed. In the same way, you also install the other set of flags on these two pipes like this. Now both of the landing gears are installed now. Now we have another part. This is the rod which goes like this. Now with the help of a nose plier, just firmly grip this. Now when you push, this grip will hold the rod in it. Now same way on the other side as well. Like this. Now the landing gears are installed. This is how it looks. Notice this GPS has a folding mount. So you can always fold it and then unfold it, and there is a cover over here which rotates. So by rotating it, you can tight this GPS mount so it doesn't vibrate while flying. So it is solid now. Again, you have to take care of the direction of the GPS, as it shows the plane nose direction. The airplane nose direction shows a forward position, as well as while you are standing backwards, you can always read these letters. On the flight controller, you see small arrow over here, so that shows the front direction. So the direction of GPS and the flight controller should always be parallel. To unfold it, just unscrew that cover and lay it down like this. For shipping convenience, we have fold these motor arms in the mid position. You can simply just push this towards the outward position. So there is a clip over here. So this rod needs to go in this clip. Again, for convenience of shipping, we have unmounted the propeller from the motors. For your convenience, which motor holds which propeller, so we have written these alphabets. So it shows A on the propeller, and if you closely monitor over here, so it also shows A. So that means this propeller will go on this motor, and this shows A1. So the propeller which is written A1, so that will mount on this motor. Always keep in mind that the written part always stays upwards. So it should not be mounted like this. It should be mounted the alphabet written upward direction. For mounting the propeller on the motor, first you have to unscrew this part. There is a washer and a sort of bolt. Now simply just put the propeller on the motor, then put your washer on top of that propeller. Now align the holes of the washer to the motor. Then you have your set of screws, just tight them. It is as simple as this. While installing the batteries, there is a velcro stick on the bottom of the battery, and there is a velcro on top portion of the frame as well. You always stick the battery in the middle of the frame. Don't stick it like leaning backwards or leaning forward. Just always stick in middle position, and keep in mind that there should be some gap in between this vibration damping plate and the battery, because while flying the battery will be vibrating because of the motor rotating, and this vibration should not forward to the flight controller. So that is why, to isolate this vibration, we have installed a vibration damping plate. After installing both of the batteries, we simply just connect any of the battery wire to any of the connectors. So it doesn't matter which goes to which port. And always keep in mind that these are called balance port, so they should be tied down somewhere down in this frame, or you can also tie them in between of these red and black wires so that they do not touch the propeller rotating, because the propeller size is large, so it might damage the balance.